bought this watch from the luxurious.com online shopping. It's opening. We can see how it's. It's a watch. Let's see. Look how is this watch. Mashallah, it's so awesome. It's having it is digital also, and also the clock.
Alhamdulillah.
You can see this is a guarantee card of that watch. Its actual price was 549, and we bought this online at that time. It was offer, and we got for 169. After the cash on delivery, all the chargers we got on 186 real, 189 real. This is its bill. You can see it's 189 real. It's so discounted because the actual price is 549 real, and it's so less amount. Very awesome. Subhanallah, mashallah. Look, you can see it's digital also. You can see it has digital watch also. Thank you for watching the video. Give the link in the description box of that online shopping website.